everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use shape.LeanMCP.com to create your remote MCP servers. Today our examples would be create a Reddit MCP servers. First, let's come to the shape.LeanMCP.com website and then log in first. I've already logged in, and here I would recommend you to connect to your GitHub, so later while we generate the MCP servers file, all of these files can be automatically saved to your GitHub account after you connect it. First, before we start, let me simply introduce our recent activities. We have established an AI Founders Club, which is we want to help all of these AI startups founders who want to build and shape their customized MCP servers on our platform. So for each month, we will select the top 10 most popular MCP servers on our platform and arrange a demo night to help you gain more exposure. If you are interested, click the Join the Club button. Send us your application. Okay, now let's start it. Say I want to create Reddit MCP server. Great. So first, you're gonna ask the users, hey, what kind of tools you want to be included in these MCP servers? So we need to double check and register it. Great, that's exactly what the tools I needed. So I would say yes. Let's build it. So as for now, all of these files has been generated, easily including all of these tools and resources and prompts we need. So now what we can do is we can click on the Save to GitHub button, save that to the repository. Don't forget to create a new repository for that, and save it. Yeah, so we can say it's saved successfully. So from here, what we can do is we can click the code button and download the zip file. So as for this zip file, we can go back to the click on the deployment button. Just click here, hosting platform. So we can go and click on 8 new servers and select the Reddit you have generated. And then click on Create MCP server. Click the Start to Build button. After we have built and deployed successfully, we can